Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for a reliable way to protect your vehicle's battery and avoid any unexpected breakdowns, today's video is for you. In today's video, we are going to be taking a closer look at the CTEK MXS 5.0, a fully automatic 12-volt smart battery charger and maintainer, which is designed for the cars, bikes, SUVs, and even small boats. And if you would like to check the latest pricing and the full details after watching, you will find the product link in the description box below. So first of all, let's start with what makes this charger different. So the CTEK MXS 5.0 uses an advanced 8-step smart charging system, which is powered by a built-in microprocessor. Instead of just pushing the power into the battery, it analyzes the battery's conditions, removes the sulfation, recondition when needed, and also charges properly and then switches to the maintenance mode. So this protects your battery and extends its lifespan. Another key feature is its automatic temperature compensation. So the charger is going to adjust the voltage depending on the surrounding temperature. So whether it's very hot or extremely cold, it ensures safe and the optimal charging. So this is something that many basic chargers simply don't offer. It also supports all 12-volt lead acid battery types, including AGM, FEB, gel, and standard flooded batteries. There is also a recondition mode, which is going to help restore deeply discharged or aging batteries. In terms of usability, it's fully automatic. It connect it and let it do the work. So it's spark proof, protected against the wrong polarity, and it is designed to prevent overcharging. That makes it very beginner friendly. The maintenance mode is ideal for the vehicle that sit unused for long period, like motorcycles in the winter, storage, or the cars that aren't driven daily. So overall, the CTEK MXS 5.0 is a smart investment for anyone who wants to avoid the battery failure and extend battery life. If you want a charger that is safe, automatic, and built for the long-term battery care, this one is definitely worth considering. You can just check out the product link in the description box below for more details. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.